Alright, do a little quick video for you guys. Now this is a weird one for me because I'm normally used to having a chin mount here. Usually used to having a chin mount and a camera. However, I got a new helmet, Aero Bandit, which is not a nice helmet by the way, it's very noisy. And I don't have a chin mount yet to install the camera onto my chin, so this is what I've got to work with at the minute. I've got my 360 set up there, which should still be a nice view by all means. Levi there is just falling asleep. To the top of her noggin. Yeah, we're just going through. We went through Chepstow. It's the way we went, and it was it was quite nice actually. Quite nice roads, nice views, and we went through the Tintern Abbey just. So yeah, we're actually heading over to Baffle Haus today. The weather has been absolutely lovely. Just waiting for it to start bloody raining because we've been over the black clouds for ages now, but it still hasn't bloody rained, which is interesting. And yeah, stuck behind cyclists. Anyway, I'll bring you guys about a bit later, possibly. I can see the GS is coming up. I can see clearly now the rain has gone. I can see all the obstacles in my way. I believe I get it straight up whiplash. Oh, that's so comfy, mate. Fucking hell. Going through, mate. Going through. It's just mucky, gotta be careful. I absolutely love places like this, man. National? No, me neither. Oh, mate, look at this. Watch the left corner, looks a little bit sneaky. Or maybe not. Oh yeah, it is. Ah, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Mate, this is fucking brilliant. What a road. Oh mate, that's awesome, that is. Yeah. Full package. What the fuck are these roads, bruv? Very good riding, boys. Oh, very bouncy here. Oh, right two here. Morgan. Oh, ducks on the right. Fuck off. Ducks. Ducklings! Car come in. Oh, it's rain. Ugh. Unless he fucking put his washers on. Oh, look at that.